about the topic trigonometry. So today we discuss about the basic concepts of trigonometry. So starting with this right angle triangle. Here we have a right angle triangle ABC. Here we have a right angle triangle A, B and C. Here AC is a perpendicular, AB is a hypotenuse and BC is a base of a triangle. So basically we have 6 type of ratios, that is starting from sine, cos and tan. So here we have a formula like Badri, Prasad, Har, Boli. So here we have the formula of 3 ratios. So which are, this one is the formula of a sine theta, this one is of a cos and this one is for a tan theta. So we have these 3 ratios now, sine, cos and tan. And here we have a reciprocals of these. If we have a 1 upon sine theta, 1 upon sine theta, then formula of 1 by sine theta is equal to cos secant theta. Cos secant theta and 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta. And 1 upon tan theta is equal to cot theta. So here we have total 6 type of ratios like sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and the cot theta. This one is a basic. So we have total 6 ratios here, and here we have 3 formulas like sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and next is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Similarly, cosecant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Here we have these 3 formulas. Clear? So we have now 6 ratios and the formula regarding these 6 ratios. So next we move further, we have the different values. Just like sine, cos and tan. Here we have these measurements like 0 degree, then 30, then 45 degree, 60 degree and then 90 degree. Now we discuss about the value of sine, cos, tan under these measurements, under these ratios. So now we here can written as 0 by 4 square root and here 1 by 4 square root, again 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and then 4 by 4 square. हमें सभी के साथ ये वाले मेजरमेंट्स अप्लाई करने हैं, then we get what? So 0 by 4 is 0. So answer is 0. Here we get sine 0 degree is equal to 0. So next 1 by 4 the root means that 1 upon 2. Similarly here we get 1 upon root 2. And here we get root 3 upon 2. And here we get 1. So we get the answers of sine. So next time we have to take this value in the reverse manner. So here we get 1. So we take 1 here. Similarly root 3 by 2 here. 1 by root 2 as it is. Then 1 by 2 and then 0. Clear? And as we know, tan theta is equals to what? Tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. So if we want to calculate the value of tan theta, then we have to divide this like sine by cos. So 0 by 1 is 0. This upon this we get 1 upon root 3. Then we get here 1. Similarly we get here root 3. And 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. So we get here infinity. Clear? So now we have these values under these 3 ratios. And if we want to calculate the values of like cosecant, secant and cot, we can simply reverse that value. For example, if we have the value of sine of 30 degree, what is the value of sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Then as we know to 1 upon sine. So we get here cosecant 30 degree is equal to reciprocal of a sine, which is equal to 2. So we get the answer is 2. So similarly we can calculate all the values of cosecant, secant and cot theta. Now moving further, we get here. So now next we discuss these values in a quadrant. So we have here 4 quadrants. This one is the first quadrant, second, third and fourth quadrant. Now we have to discuss about in which quadrant which ratio is positive and which ratio is a negative. As we are talking about the first quadrant, first of all we have to take the all measurements, all degrees. So starting with 0 degree, then 90, then 180 degree, 270, then again 360 degree. So we complete the circle by a 360 degree, starting from 0 and add to 360 degree. So now we take the method like all students take coffee. So by these methods, हम इसके starting वाले words लेंगे like all, S, T and C. So for the first quadrant we take all. Yeah, so we get all positive. And here we get S. S is for second quadrant. So here we get sine. S and S. Similarly, we can take now T. T is for third, means that tan theta. T for tan theta. And similarly, we have to take now C. C means cos theta. So here, all positive, sine, tan and cos. Now we have to take the reciprocals of this. Sine reciprocal is cosecant theta. Here we get cot theta. And here we get secant theta. So by this process now we get here in the first quadrant all ratios are positive and in the second quadrant only the sine and cosecant theta is positive. Similarly in third tan theta and cot theta is positive and in fourth cos and secant theta. Now our last topic is so yes. For example, if we have to find the value of sine of 180, as we know we have the measurements up to 90 degrees. So how can we calculate sine of 180 degree? So by the method of, we can write here sine of 180 degree like sine of 90 degree plus 90. And as we know, we can change at the value of 90 degree, sine is changed into cos. First of all, write cos here. And we know that 90 degree plus. So here it's 90 degree. 90 degree plus will means that we are in the second quadrant. So here sin theta is positive. So apply the positive sign. We have to check the first ratio, not this cos. So we have to check the sin theta and here sin theta is positive. So next we have to write 90 degree. And what is the value of cos 90 degree is 0. So our answer is 0. At 90 degree, sin theta is changed into cos. Similarly, vice versa. Similarly, tan theta is changed into cot. Again, vice versa. And last is cosecant. Cosecant theta is changed into secant. So here we have the basic of trigonometry. I hope you like it. So thank you.